Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure the phone has power, a reliable Wi-Fi connection, and you know the Google credentials for the account you want gone. Once connected, go to Settings Accounts immediately after boot if you're past setup. If you can sign in, remove the Google account locally via Accounts Google Remove Account. This stops device sync. At the same time, open your Google account on a computer and sign out the device remotely so the account is fully detached. Once the local removal is attempted, disable backup to Google Drive and automatic restore in Settings System Backup so the device won't reapply account data. If the account still appears after a normal reset, boot to recovery mode and perform a secure factory reset to clear system caches and lingering sync tokens. This helps when backups reinstall account info. Make sure you remove the device explicitly from your Google account devices list. Doing that, finish by completing the Android setup but skip signing into a Google account. Check Settings Accounts to confirm no sync account is present. If factory reset protection prompts for the original account, use the original credentials or remove the device from the Google account on My Account. Google. Calm and retry setup. If things go wrong, clear the Play Services cache, redo the secure factory reset, and double-check the device list in your Google account. These steps resolve most reattachment and sync token issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.